Renovating an inherited home sounds like a smart move, but in probate, it's often the fastest way to lose money. I'm Chelsea Runnings, a Sonoma County real estate agent specializing in probate and inherited home sales. In probate sales, renovations are not automatically a good idea, and in many cases, they're actually discouraged. Executors and administrators have a fiduciary duty to act in the best interest of the estate and the beneficiaries. That means spending estate funds carefully and avoiding unnecessary risk. Large renovations can require court approval, beneficiary consent, contractor delays, and upfront cash that the estate may not have. They also don't always result in a higher net return. In Sonoma County, many probate buyers expect properties to be sold as is. Strategic, limited improvements like safety repairs or cleanup can help, but full remodels often create more problems than the value. The smarter approach is analyzing whether a renovation actually increases the net proceeds after time, costs, and risks, not just the list price. Before spending estate money on the renovations, it's important to run the numbers and the risks. I help estates make those decisions with clarity and not guesswork.